CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
ke Sorkar Jilla ke Bthah ya ketenat PWD Roads bagi ke National Highway Authority of India ban wat ni ki Surok bala julor na ke jingtua khendo haki sau benta jong ke Surok ba National Highway 6 ha East Dentia Hills District kini ke jing Bthah jong ke Sorkar Jilla kalau hadin ba menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng ba la kemen rembui uba khle ya ke Regional Committee ban pet ya ke jinglong jingman na ke daw ke jing ther jong labba uba jor ha East but West Dentia Hills ulah her jurep ya ke jing pei thleu ke Surok ba National Highway 6 halom shnong ha ke sngi palai harengkat ke jing senran lang jong MLA uba shit lang palai bat ki bor senshar ke East but ke West Dentia Hills District Kajing pay thleu jong ke Surok kala penlong ni ki kali he ban sakut hadu mta hasilin ter kani ke Surok ba hadin ba amshim la sha ba kin ya na ka daw kajing sneu jong kani ke Surok katkum kajing atho jong ba la kemen rembui ki benta jong ke Surok ki baladai ban Maramot no mardor kilong ha kiang ha kuliang bat harata chera ha ka baki don ki jaka ba ke Surok kala sneu bat ki balas dang ban pay thleu bat ki bala ban bo jing maru ya ki nong ya lenti
Rain played havoc on the state of Meghalaya, all over the state of Meghalaya. And yesterday, taking into consideration of this situation in the state, our Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister have taken the review meeting at 11 o'clock where he instructed each of the Deputy Commissioner to be on cap and see that to attend to the need of people at the earliest. And also he has formed the regional committee to look into for better coordination with the different deputy commissioner of the area. So yesterday after the meeting, when I finished my work in office, I went to visit the site in Lumshnang area where the road have been capped in due to the heavy rain in that area. So when I went there, I see that the situation is very grim and the vehicle could not pass through that road, and it is so many of the passengers or travelers they stranded there, and of course the police and the district administration tried to help them in some way or other to see that they could help them, whatever they could help them. So yesterday the PWD, the SP and DC and the site engineer of Nhai was there. So we inspect the road and looking at the condition of the road, and not only that road, and also just ahead of that road, there are the situations which are waiting to happen. So after we inspect that road, we have a meeting in DC office where the Honorable MLA, local MLA, Mashid Langpale also, who together we are visiting the site. So we have a meeting to review not only on the park area but on the issue affecting the whole East Dentia Hills district. So in that meeting, we have decided that the Chief Engineer PWD Road and the officer from Nhai County Office should go immediately and inspect. And today at 11 noon, they have a meeting at DC office Hayat, where after the meeting, they went to visit the site and they have formulated the plan how to restore that particular road. But fortunately for the small vehicle, there is some alternative road which only small vehicle could ply through starch cement. So the diversion of small vehicle, controlled diversion, because we can, since it is not a normal road, so controlled diversion of the small vehicle could be done through that road, so to ease the problem of the commuter. But for the heavy vehicle, it will take some more time. And I'm happy also that the district administration and also the Star Cement and Karaman Foundation and other NGO also, they are trying to help the passengers who are stranded there. I said it is today all the material which need to temporarily restore the road, they have reached the site, and Nhai they will try to restore at least temporarily for the small vehicle. But for the big vehicle, it will take time. And ahead of that, as I said before, there is one portion which needs attention of the PUD and Nhai, and also beyond Umkiang. And at Kuliang also, there is some crack in the road which may put the travelers or the motorists in danger. And also ahead of Umkiang, about 5 kilometers from Ratachara, the road also is starting to curve in. So all necessary precaution is being done, looked into by the district administration, so that no unfortunate incident should happen in the park area. Moreover, to see that the normal traffic in that road could be restored at the earliest. One stretch, it's not one portion. As of I'm speaking now, there are 4 portions of the road which need to look into. So the PUD road, the chief engineer who by himself today was there, and the Nhai, they are looking into it, so that as I said, as early as we, but the rain is so heavy, it is very difficult for the people to work on that. And moreover, I'm very happy also that the miners nearby also, they are trying to divert if they can, regarding the water, so that the work could start. I cannot give you the timeline for the road to be complete, but at the earliest. That's why from all sides of that Hillock accumulate in one spot, and from that one spot it goes to that area. So this is unforeseen situation which neither the Nhai nor the public have prepared for this. So we have to accept that these are the natural calamities which are happen, and it is our duty to see that the road communication could be restored as early as possible.
What could be?
See, if you use post-mortem everything, it is very difficult. But the rain god this time have the rain is so heavy that the soil, the subsoil, and the topsoil becomes so weak. And who knows, in that upper area, in the upper portion where the water, some of the its stream is being blocked or something like that, then that's why it comes. So it's very difficult for me to explain what happened, how it happened. But the rain is so heavy, and because of that, the water in one go, it goes to that particular spot and led to the damage of this particular portion of the road. But not only that, I'm talking about 3 other portions which from what I have seen, that there is danger until unless we try to block those portions as of now. Truck which are carrying all the heavy vehicle is not allowed to ply into those roads, and will not be allowed until the PUD and the district administration could satisfy that the road is fit for the heavy vehicle to ply through that road. So no heavy vehicle allowed or will be allowed until and unless the safety of that road is being certified by the competent authority.
So
See, there are many people who are stranded there, but I'm very happy that they could cross to other side of the area where they could catch their vehicle, and the district administration also tried to provide the necessary transportation from the site of the accident to the nearby place where they could get the vehicle, and food and everything also is being provided. And I'm very happy that everybody is working together to ease the problem faced by the commuter of that area. And as you know, that is the main lifeline of the Lower Assam, Mizoram, and Tripura also. And there are many trucks who are lying on that line. So the SP of East Jainti Hills have requested the police headquarters to send 25 personnel to help manage the traffic, and also if anything arises. So the police headquarters immediately dispatched yesterday only 25 police personnel to help in those situations. And besides that, also there are some landslide in this Borkat area, in this Huroi area, and also in that Sutnga area, which the PUD are trying to restore the traffic as early as possible. But NH-6, which which the problem is very critical, and I hope that with the technical know-how of the engineers, they will be able to restore as early as possible. Competent people to reply to your question. Our contention is that the traffic could be restored as early as possible with due care that safety is paramount.